Well, good morning guys, and welcome back to part 2 of the garage renovation. I've started a little bit of the drywall on the small sections over here. There, I got that guy up, and then that side over there. I got my 4x8s delivered this morning, which I'll be doing the rest of the weekend. This back wall I can salvage. Someone else did this before me. This little section is kind of goofy. But a lot of this is crap I'm going to take off and redo. But this back wall I can probably keep. The rest of it should be pretty quick and dirty. Hardest part will be getting all the little outlets I've ran within the sheetrock, but not a big deal. We will adapt and overcome. So let's roll a little intro, and yeah, we'll start putting some paneling up. All right, first 4x8 up. I forgot how heavy drywall is to work with, and I would not want to do this full time. But let me go turn the power on, make sure I'm good. We got quite a bit more to go. All right, success. They both work. I'm not an electrician. I'm not a drywaller. I'm just a YouTuber. All right, a couple hours in. I'm exhausted. A lot of weird structural beams in this old garage. I'm not gonna fart with them, so I'm just kind of drywalling and I'm gonna mud around them. Man, nothing in this garage is plumber square, so it's been kind of interesting. So you see I have two outlets here. This is my main one. I daisy chained it over here because right here is going to be my standalone power washer, which is right there. It's going to be fixed to the wall with a longer hose. It'll just make it easier when I wash my cars. Yeah, I got a lot of mudding, taping, sanding to do before this thing looks good, but this wall is not too bad. Like I said, that corner's done. Over there, that's done. And then tomorrow, I'm going to do this wall, I think. I don't know. I might keep it. I think I can just sand the hell out. I'll be all right. And then tomorrow I'll tackle these two walls. And then, yeah, we'll start plastering, taping, and sanding. So for today, gotta get all this cleaned up real quick. All right, that's good enough. We're in between. So I'm gonna go take a break, and I'll continue this project in the morning. But for you, it'll be about 2 seconds. All right, just like that. Next morning, got up early. Got the lawn looking all good. Total dad mode. I'm sure the neighbors hate me. It already looks a lot bigger in here with just that one wall done. It was so dark in here. It drove me insane for the last 11 years. But today we're doing this wall and this wall. All right, so I got this roughed in right there. This wall is gonna have probably a 60-inch TV. TBD on that. Let's get this sheetrock up. Wiring done, and then I got 3 outlets already in place. I gotta add one more towards the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting some panels up. I'll be back in a second when this wall is wrapped up. Here we have the perfect example of measuring twice and cutting once. Boom. 2 up. Today's going much faster than yesterday. This piece right there, I gotta make a little structure so I can kind of connect this out and then over. It'll make sense when it's done, but today, just doing all the drywall, all the little pieces I gotta fix. I'll probably do next video with mudding and all like trim or crown I might do. But yeah, today is just getting all the drywall up. So next I gotta get all this crap off the wall, all the nails, and it's a process, man. All right, we're getting there. The little outlets keep slowing me down, but I believe all the electrical's done. I will have to interchange these little receptacles once I get the hex lights up here, but not a big deal. That way I can keep it on a switch right there. Getting close to a stopping point for today. I'm gonna finish this top section, run some sheetrock on this little guy down there, and that'll pretty much wrap up part 2 of this. I'll get this done real quick and show you. Yeah, so the next video is gonna be sanding, mudding, taping, possibly painting, possibly. So we'll see. And then tomorrow for Father's Day, me and the family are going to do a day trip down to OBX. So at the end of this video, it might just be a fun little trip down there, farting around. All right, let me get this done real quick. All right, that's going to wrap up part 2. Hope you enjoyed this. Kind of boring, but you know, it looked really cool with the contrasting black rafters with the very light gray, I'm thinking, for the walls. A couple little spots I missed I need to fix, no big deal. Part 3, like I said, is going to be making it look all pretty and finished. Nice other things in place, picking out a paint color. The bottom concrete, I'm not sure what color, probably a little darker than up here. And then the flashing in between, maybe a black with some red pinstriping, something kind of creative. I don't know yet. I'll figure it out this week. And like I said, I'm trying to do this entire thing in 10 parts. By the 10th part, this will be a complete studio with a desk, camera area, cool toolboxes, detailing stuff, TV, lounge area, workshop back there, bench, car lift where I'm standing. It'll look good with some really cool lighting up above. It looks so much bigger in here now with all the sheetrock. It's crazy. So, all right, now we'll fade into a little trip to OBX. This will be tomorrow, but you'll see it right now. And I'll see you guys next week for part 3. Well, happy Father's Day morning to all you dads out there. Got my coffee going. We're gonna hit the road to OBX here shortly. I do gotta change the oil in the Mini real quick. It won't take very long. We're gonna take the Mini today. My daughter likes it. It's cute. Yeah, I'll put you on my little stand. We'll do a quick little time lapse. Me changing the oil. We'll hit the road. Have a little lunch down there. Maybe hit the beach. I don't know. Well, regardless, enjoy. Where are we going?
To the beach.
Which beach?
The Outer Beach.
You excited to go? I'm pretty stoked.
They have food there.
We're gonna eat lunch there for sure. How's your English muffin?
Good.
Awesome. My sweet wife and daughter got me the coolest little gift for Father's Day. Can't think of something for Valentine's Day. How neat is this? If I can open it. It's a little carbon C8 key fob cover, which is...
for your keys.
I know! It's amazing! Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Ready to go to the beach?
Yeah.
And we're off to OBX. Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
Autumn's got her UV rated sunglasses. Wife's looking all cute. We're gonna get some gas and do a nice little scenic video on the way down there. See you there. Alright, we're in Kill Devil Hills. Where are we at? Where are we at here? Shipwrecks. Tap House. She's worried about the cicada noise behind me. Ocean's right over yonder. You hungry? Yeah. You hungry? What'd you get to drink? That looks really refreshing.
Crushing it.
Crushing it. Love it. Alright, we're gonna eat and go to the beach. So we made it to OBX, obviously, to solve us at lunch. We stopped at Kitty Hawk this trip. Gorgeous beach day. It's almost no waves. It's pretty gnarly. It's cool. So I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I'm gonna close out this vlog. Wanna say bye? Wanna say bye? And we'll see you for part 3 of the garage next week. All right, guys, take care. Work out.